Today, Tyler and I are exploring a place here in Alaska that neither of us have ever been to. Not only are we staying in one of the most incredible and gigantic lodges here on the Kenai, but we've heard there are some very beautiful places to explore here and we can't wait to show you guys around. So hit subscribe and stay tuned to explore all that the Nikiski area has to offer. We probably should have brought bear spray.
I got bear spray. I'm prepared.
We actually spent the entire morning over at the Captain Cook Recreation area.
I think I found an agate. Deborah doesn't think so, but I think so. I'm going with it.
Tyler doesn't know this yet, but we're actually going to an Agate Beach later today.
I like this one. What do you guys think? Agate or not? Oh, that's cool.
That's really cool. We just made our way to the Tar Box, which is kind of like a local wildlife overlook area in Kenai. And I just found bear tracks, which is awesome. Maybe we'll see it. Fingers crossed.
We made it to Agate Beach. You think we can find an agate?
Well, you already found like 5.
I did. Do you think there's any here?
Maybe. I just found the coolest rock ever. Pretty sure this one's an agate. And I beat Tyler.
You did.
I want to find more agates. All right, Tyler, what'd you find?
This one.
Whoa.
A big one.
Oh my gosh.
And a cool one.
Whoa. Mine aren't really agates necessarily. I don't really know what agates are, but I found some cool ones.
Ooh, that's cool.
Tyler's taking a rest after driving us on all the bumpy roads near all the beaches this morning, so I'm gonna attempt to do the entire tour alone, and we're gonna try to do it in 30 seconds. So here we go. First, game room. Bedroom, Nintendo 64 setup, another bedroom, giant beanbag, bedroom, the bathroom of my actual dreams, bedroom, view from the loft, washer dryer, and then outside. Beautiful wraparound porch, bedroom, bathroom, another bedroom that leads to a bathroom, which leads to the kitchen, dining room tables that seat 12, living room number 2, fireplace, above a fireplace, and of course the very last spot, the amazing hot tub with a view of the lake.
Only if a moose would come. Oh, it's probably the caretakers.
After introducing ourselves, the caretakers were nice enough to bring Tyler on a tour of the entire property.
Get full flakes, look behind you on there.
Yeah, wow.
It's beautiful.
I hiked this for a little ways last night, and you can see a ton of moose tracks in here. There's some big moose tracks. So it's getting close to like 10:30 at night, but I want to come for a hike, and I'm hiking down to a creek, and there's moose tracks. So maybe I'll get lucky and see another moose. Made it to the creek. It's beautiful. No moose yet, but it is so pretty.
Hey Tyler.
Yeah.
You want to play some games?
You're gonna lose.
Come on.
Which one do you want to play first? We're gonna play pool.
I haven't done this in so long. Oh no, I scratched.
Oh no.
Oh. Oh.
Oh no. Nice.
Oh.
Oh.
I got 2. Aw.
Go. Ah.
Oh, I missed.
Nice shot.
Oh.
Ah. I'm a winner.
Tyler won the first game.
Woohoo!
Yes! No! No!
Ah.
Yes!
Oh.
I got it!
Yes, it's knocked down. Yes! This is scary.
My arms are so tired. I need one more.
Go, go. No, no!
Yes! I won!
Good game.
I won my first event.
Deborah won.
Who would have thought it'd be in foosball?
Deborah wants to play Mario Kart. The winner takes all. They have it.
Woo! Here we go. I haven't done this in so long. Gotta win. I'm flying!
Whoa. Oh no. Oh no. Oh.
You passed me. Oh no!
Oh.
I was coming over the hill and he like popped out of nowhere.
Oh.
Yeah, see?
No!
No! Oh! I spun you out!
I was like 5 feet away.
You didn't even place.
I took 4th. I'm
Good game.
Good game.
That was a terrible high five.
That was a terrible high five. Good game.
Yes.
We're gonna go to a secret beach the guy told me about. I think we found it actually because it says Nikiski Beach Road and it is next to a yellow gas station.
We made it to his secret beach, our very last final beach of the day.
It's a cool beach.
It is beautiful. This one's pretty cool because you can see the oil rigs out there and the entire line of mountains, which is absolutely stunning. And now we're going to dinner. We made our way to Ruby's Stop and Go Cafe for dinner tonight. Got the deep fried mushrooms, a pizza sub, and some grilled cheese. For breakfast, we went to this place called the Old Goat Cafe. It was really cute, and I've never eaten inside of a hardware store before, but it was actually really good.
Pretty good.
Fries are good?
Mm-hmm. Wow. Pretty good.
I got a shake to go.
Is it good?
That was pretty good. And as always, thanks so much for watching. If you want to see more adventures from right here in Alaska, make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!